Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to lock the screen without the power button. So you can see if you tap on the lock button, the device will lock. Now in this video I will show you how to lock the screen without using the power button. So simply you can lock the screen without using power button using the accessibility shortcut menu. So in this device I already enabled the accessibility shortcut menu. If you tap on this one, so here you can see the option lock screen. Tap on this one, the device is locked up. So in this way you can lock the screen device without using power button. So I will show you how to enable the accessibility shortcut menu. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on additional settings, then tap on accessibility, then tap on accessibility menu. So you need to enable this one, then only we can use this accessibility shortcut menu. Just tap on this one, tap on lock screen, the device is locked up. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.